Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Edifier W800BT Pro. All right, guys, just a heads up, Edifier did send these out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. All right, guys, so this is the box it comes in. I like this anime style they got going on here. We've got Edifier up top, W800BT Pro right there as well. We've got 45 hours of playback. We've got high-res audio. We've got active noise cancellation. Man, this thing is packing a bunch of heat. Once again, I really like this anime style box we've got going on here. Real quick, just some specs. We've got active noise cancellation up to -44 decibels. We've got 40mm dynamic drivers. We got dual device connection. You're able to pair this with two devices and be able to switch seamlessly between the two. I like that. And we got a nice foldable design here. Very cool. Again, this animation style is nice. So these headphones come in a couple different colorways. We've got a black, we've got a gray, and we've got this white pair here. They call this one the gift edition. All right, so without further ado, let's open these up. Be careful here. I don't want to mess up this box. I really like this cartoon design they got going on here. All right, right out the gate, we've got the headphones. We'll take a look at that in a sec here. All right, so in the box, we got some stickers. Very cool. We've got your user manual. We've got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Yeah, we got like safety information on this one. Put that off to the side. Cool. And this is the headset, guys. On camera, they look white, right? But they actually have like a rose gold type colorway to them. This is gold. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch that, the Edifier branding here. But yeah, I mean, they don't look too bad. I kind of wish it was more like a egg white type color. But they look fine. They look fine though. It is made out of a hard plastic. Again, we've got some Edifier branding on the sides here, on both sides. And we've got, on the inside here, we've got like, this is right, this is an R, and we've got a left on this side so that we know which way to put these on. And I like this memory foam type pad we've got for the ear cups. It doesn't look like you can swap these out. I wish you could. That just makes them more durable to me. If something should happen down the line, you'd be able to just swap them out, but these you can't do that. And then we've got your volume rocker here. You've got Bluetooth button here. This rocker panel here, or this rocker button here, is also the power button. So that's how you turn that on. You just press that. And then we've got your USB-C port for charging. And the inside here, we've got some metal, but the interior part is plastic. That's all right though. But yeah, this feels really nice and soft, guys. Let's try them on. All right, guys, that is how they look. Not too bad. They're covering my full ear, which is nice. No pressure points where my glasses are. So far they're nice and comfortable. So let's pair this with my phone real quick. So yeah, let's pair this up. Well, I've got the Pixel 8 here. Sure, we got Bluetooth on. Hopefully we've got some power. Okay, there we go. We got an LED there. It's starting to flash white and green. So that looks like that's in pairing mode. So they found it, or the phone found it. Very quick. Edifier W800BT Pro. Hit connect. We'll pair. And we are paired, guys. And it says this has 100% battery life. Yeah, make sure you guys have Edifier Connects app, guys. That way you can pair this up to that app and then you can tweak like your EQ settings and things like that. All right, guys, so we've got it paired with the phone and the Edifier app. Noise cancellation is on from the factory. Very nice. Everything is nice and quiet. Let's change it up a bit, man. Let's do some 80s. All right, we've got Take On Me by Aha. Yo, it sounds good, guys. Yo, that sounds good. The vocals are clear, guys. Very nice. I mean, this song doesn't have much bass, but I like it. I like it. And that's just out of the factory settings. That sounded good. The vocals were great. Let's see what we got. Oh, let's play some Pac. Let's get ready to rumble. Yo, if you guys know, all right, I like it. I like it. Factory settings, very nice. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's go music mode. All right, so we got sound effects, classic, dynamic. Let's try this dynamic sound effects real quick. All right, we'll keep it at music mode. Noise cancellation high, sound effects dynamic. It made it more like the sound more brighter, where the mids and highs are more prominent now, and the bass is still there, but it's not overwhelming or anything. It sounds really good. And let's see what else. Let's see what game mode does. All right, so we got in on game mode now. The mids and highs are still nice and loud, like it's not being overpowered by the bass, but the bass has gone up some. It's not muddy or anything like that. It sounds good. All right, so there is a EQ setting that's customizable. You got 4 bands here. I won't mess with it. At least we know that it's there in case you want to fine tune the sound. It's there. I like that. Out of just from the factory options, I think I like dynamic, and I like the sound mode on music. So yeah, I'll set this up and I'll let you guys listen to it, and you guys let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. The Edifier W800BT Pro. So these are coming in right around 50 bucks. And yo, they offer a lot of things for that price range. You've got active noise cancellation, you've got Bluetooth 5.4, you've got app support. You got pretty much everything that I like to have in a pair of headphones. So for me, if I was looking for a new pair of headsets, oh, also I forgot, they're wireless, right? But you can also connect these via wired USB-C. That way, if you're into games and you want low latency gaming, this would be perfect for that, because you got that option as well. But yeah, see, these things offer a lot of bang for your buck. So if you guys are looking for a pair of headphones, definitely check these ones out. I think they're great for that price point.